Natural hair must do for faster hair growth.
So this is a nice, sweet, short video, you guys. I'm just basically gonna just make it for you real quick, apply it on my hair, and voila, we're done. I'm gonna give you a little bit of knowledge of why I'm specifically using these items and the benefits that it's gonna do for your hair. If you want good results, fast hair growth, you need to watch this video. So for today's hair DIY, we're not using an egg. Usually in my DIYs, I always use an egg. I really don't like mayonnaise at all. Ugh, I hate the smell of it, but we need this. It has great benefits for your hair. We're gonna do the sunflower oil, organic. You can use grapeseed oil. You can use castor oil. You can even use olive oil, you know, or shave butter too. But I'm gonna try with the sunflower oil because the sunflower has so many great benefits for our hair. And that's why we here. I'm gonna add a banana in it, and it's overripe banana, but the banana is gonna be a great deep conditioner treatment. And don't forget your avocado. I wanted to put a little bit more, but I had to save it from my salad. You know, you definitely need to do DIYs with organic products in your hair at least every 2 months to get the really full, fast, rapid hair growth. Activates the hair to grow. All right, let's just get right into this. All right, I'm just gonna scrape this avocado out and put it in there. It's just half of an avocado. I'm gonna do a couple spoons of sunflower oil, just 3. And we're gonna peel this banana. Only 1 spoon of the mayonnaise. Don't try to put more because I made the mistake and it was just off. So do 1 spoon of mayonnaise. Gonna place it in this blender. Voila, I blend it to a nice paste. DIY. So creamy, so rich. So I'm gonna put this in my hair.
My natural hair loves this, you guys. It's always a must-do for hair growth.
Now, I used to make these DIYs in the bowl, but now I got this wonderful blender. It does miracles. It's just so much better to do it with the blender, because it just really, really grades it nice and fine, so it will not be getting stuck in my hair. Oof, my hair is really dry and hard, y'all. It really needs this. It's just like a conditioner. It smells great because of the banana. Make sure I get my ends. The most important part is really get those ends, you know, because that's where it needs the most moisture, because that's where the hair is the oldest at, you know. It needs the most treatment right there. After this, I have to go pick up the kids, so I'm guessing that this would be in my hair for 45 to 30 minutes. Ooh, that's matted right there, pretty bad. Now, please detangle your hair first before applying this in your hair. You can apply it to wet hair, dry hair, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's still gonna have the same results. I'm gonna get that back piece. I need to do this more often. I just don't have time to be doing this, but I need to make time because my hair loves this. Every time I put any kind of DIY in my hair, I see great results. Get it all out of there. My hair needs this. Yes, sis, yes. All right, so after you get it, good, get those edges. Slick that up real good. I'm gonna put a plastic bag on it. It'll be good to go. All right, if you guys don't have saran wrap, that's fine. You could always use a grocery bag. I'm gonna do it OG style so I can get all the moisture because the hair wasn't wet. So I wanna kind of get that in there. I wanna know what DIYs that you guys do on your hair that actually works. Leave it down below. Let me know which one do you do that you think I should try on my channel. Because I haven't done anything with teas or a lot of clays or berries or anything like that. So is this something out there that I'm missing? I want to know, y'all. I think we got it. Hopefully this doesn't give me a headache. So sunflower seed oil does the same stuff, you guys. It brings shine to the hair. It makes your hair actually stronger. It hydrates and promotes a healthy scalp. And it just really helps, makes your hair thicker. Like, don't we all want thicker hair? And it prevents frizz and it helps dandruff. So if you have an issue with dandruff, sunflower seed oil, you should try it. I'm a cone head. All right, you guys, me and my cone head. Mayonnaise, it adds shine, you guys. Adds strength from root to tip. So it's a deep hair moisturizer, mayonnaise. We all know that avocado is high rich in your omega-3. It has biotin in it. So it's a must use. Benefits of banana, you guys. Gives moisture to the scalp. Gives elasticity to your hair. It makes your hair nice and shiny and more manageable. Yes, I love that. It prevents dandruff. That's what I love. It protects against split ends and hair breaking. It repairs from hair sun damage. Yeah. Because these hot days out here, I need that. And it smooths your frizzy hair. I know it's a little stinky, but it actually works, ladies. Like, I wouldn't take the time out to explain and show you details of how I make this if it didn't work. So it does. Make for sure you have time out of 2 months. Every 2 months, you at least do one of my DIYs. I have plenty of DIYs. If you go down to my channel, you will see that I have a whole little page breaking it down to all the different types of DIYs. And maybe you'll find one that fits more your category, which you're willing to try. Hey guys, so the next day, I thought I was just going to keep it in for a couple hours, but to find out, I left it in for a whole actual day. I just wanted to show you guys before I rinse it out. It is super crispy, completely dry. I had saran wrap on. It fell off in the middle of me sleeping, but you see it's dry. I'm going to rinse it and show you guys the results, but this DIY smells amazing because the banana. I just wanted to show you guys. The length is getting long. I am seeing improvement in my hair. Yes. All up in the mix, trying to mess up my lights. There you are. It's your time to shine. For the whole world to see you. You gonna say hi to everybody? Hi? You gonna say something? Hi. They can't see your hand. Do it again. Hi. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you see, I shot this in the beginning instead of the end, but it doesn't matter. Hit that subscribe button right there. Hit that subscribe button right there and subscribe to my channel if you guys really enjoy hair videos, a little bit about electric cars, because we know these gas prices are just raising too high. So you need to know a little bit about your electric car before you purchase it. And on top of it, we do a little fashion haul because we need to know a little bit of fashion and style. You know, a girl needs to have a little swag and save money. So if you like all of that, go right there and, I mean, if you can catch that subscribe button, just click it.